Hello fellow trekkers and campers sa tanang newbies diha. Welcome to nature and welcome to Cat Corner, Cebu. Okay, let's start off with this short review of the Campingmoon canister stand and a few tips on how to efficiently use this simple and yet very helpful camping product. Okay, so let's start off with its features. This is made of premium nylon. It only weighs about 27 grams, so very lightweight and very sturdy, no? So nylon na siya, but ligon, no? Solid ang iyahang material, no? Well made. The brand is Campingmoon. This is made to accommodate all types of gas canisters, from the regular type of butane. This one mao ni siya ang pinakabarato, affordable nga type of butane gas in the market, and usually mausad din siya gamit sa mga campers. By the way, the middle slot is made for the regular type of butane, and then the second slot is made for the 110 grams. The last slot is made for the 230 and 450 grams gas canister. Okay, so how to set this up? Very easy, and yet kung dili kayo ka careful, dili na siya maguba, no? So when you open it, when you clip it, you hold this portion, kanang connecting portion, to give more support. Ayaw gunit diri and then clip, no? Kay may chance nga mabali siya. So you hold it in this portion before you clip it, no, para mas naa siya support. Okay, also when you remove it, same thing, remove with the support of your point finger, no, para dili siya mabali. Okay, so let's try first the 110 grams. This one, it fits on the second slot, so all you need to do is to fix both sides and then clip on one side. Okay, so there, stable na siya, diba? Di na kamakuyawan nga mayabu ang imuhang noodles diha, no? Or ang imong linungag. So stable na siya kaayo. When you remove it, you just push the stand away from you like that, and then pull. Alright, now let's try on the bigger one, the 230 grams butane canister. Okay, so it will fit on the last slot. So again, fix both sides and then just clip one side. Okay, so there. Actually very sturdy siya. This canister is full, so bisag unsaon nimo na siya, no, ligon kaayo siya nga type of material. So okay, so again, when you remove it, you just push one side, push. Okay, and there. This one, this size of gas canister, the 450 grams, normally, especially kung puno siya, you would not need the canister stand, no? Pero if ganahan siya ka mo gamit for more stability, then okay ra pud siya. Okay, but be mindful, because once you insert this canister in the stand, huot na siya kaayo. and it can be very hard to pull or remove the stand. Iyang edge ani is a little bit thick, that's why it's very hard to remove. So let's try it on, and see, it's even harder to clip, and this one can be very hard to remove. Gahi siya kayo. So all you need to do is to pull this side towards you. I-pull nimo na siya like that. Pull nimo siya and then push. Okay? And then there. So easy. If dili nimo siya i-pull, no? Dili nimo i-pull towards you before you push, mabali gyud ang imuhang canister stand. Ayan. This is 450 grams of butane. This is full. So, ligon yun siya kayo. Now, asa man ang regular type of butane canister. So, una siya. Normally, tanang stove is screw type. So, it fits perfectly sa mga screw type nga canisters. Like the previous ones that I've shown you. Gani siya. No? So, screw type na siya tanan. Halos tanang stove. But then, for this regular butane canisters, ginagamitan na siya og adapter. No? But anyway, going back to the canister stand. So, pwede niyo mo gamitan ang canister stand if you want na mag stove top ka. No? This one. Pwede kaayo, actually. And also, take note that you have to screw in the adapter before you place this in the canister, no? Or any canister. Imo gyud unahon og screw ang adapter sa stove. Okay? And then you can now place this on top. Okay? So, ana. Dili na ka kinahanglan atong mga hose. If you want to go lightweight and you don't want to spend for this type of gas, kay actually this is a little more expensive than the regular butane canister, you can use the regular type and then have a stove top setup if you want to go minimalist or lightweight. No, pwede kayo as long as you have the stand. The only disadvantage of this, no, kung hangin, lisod siya because the windshields in the market is only about 9 inches tall, which is lower siya than your setup, no? But of course, Pinoy man ta, kabalo gyud ta mangitag paagi, so no, magpalipod tag somewhere nga dili maigo sa hangin ang imuhang stove. So there, pwede kaayo. This is lightweight and at the same time affordable. Okay. And another tip, if you want to pack efficiently, no, kanang gamay lang, this one, kay normally kani siya masigo man ni siya sa imuhang cookset. This one dili, naagyo ni siya permi sa kilid sa backpack. This type of canisters, kaning mga screw type, mahal siya paliton actually, but these days pwede na ta mag refill. It's only for personal use. You would only need this type of adapter. This one is the refill shifter, and this one is the butane, regular butane adapter. So once you have this adapter, refill shifter and adapter, pwede na ka mo refill sa imuhang screw type canister from the cheaper butane canister nga mga gas. You just have to screw in, make sure that the valve is closed para walay leakage. normal ra na siyang musingaw pag maabot na ka sa portion nga ma-push na nimo ang pin. Make sure lang spas ang imong pag-screw, and also make sure that it's tight. Okay, so once na ano ni siya nga set up, you can now use the regular type of butane to refill your screw type. Okay, so that's it for the complete tutorial on how to safely refill your butane canisters. You can search at YouTube, no? For now, dili lang sa ta mag-refill because napa ni siya isulod, and at the same time you will need also to put this in the freezer para mabugnaw siya and more efficient ang imuhang refilling activity, no? So all those kanang mga weighing and everything, you will need a lot of information about that before you can safely refill your screw type butane canisters. Okay, so there, until next step, bye bye.